In this video, I'll show you how to find meme coins and buy LA for easy 5 to 10x. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to be logged into your deck screener, right? So this is deck screener. This is where a whole lot of different multi-chain tokens list every day, right? On Solana, on Ethereum, on Base, on BSC, on Matic, on Arbitrum, on Sui, on Ton, on Polygon, on Optimism, on Avax, and a whole lot of them. So in this video, I'll show you how you can find a good meme coin and buy early, right? So as it can pump to 5 to 10x, right? So this video is basically an educational video. This is never a financial advice video. So I'm putting this video out here to help lots of cryptopreneurs who may be wanting to learn how they can buy good coins that may do 5 to 10x of their profit, right? So if you look on here, you see that this token has $60 million market cap, right? Now imagine if you bought this token while it was at $160,000 market cap, right? That is an easy 100x. So if you invest $10, you'll be making around $1,000, right? If you invested $10, you making around $1,000, right? So in this video, I'll show you how you can buy coin early and expect a 5 to 10x, right? So there's a filter you need to adjust right here, right now, right? And there are some bots you need to be using. You need to be using bunk bots, you need to be using Trojan bots, you need to be using Unibots, you need to be using Sec bots. I'll be dropping all these bot links in this video description. Ensure you use it to trade, right? To get some profit and bonuses for yourself. So the filter you need to change now is you need to change this 24 hours to 5 minutes, right? Change it to 5 minutes. Wait for it to load. Change this 6 hours to an hour, right? Once I've changed that, change. Okay, this should be new pace, right? That is an hour. Yeah, an hour, right? So exactly. So from here, this filter can enable you scalp for very early projects and buying, right? If you look at this token age, you see that this token is 16 minutes old, 13 minutes, 41 minutes, 5 minutes, 43 minutes, 28, 6. So all these tokens that are very early, right? You can buy into them very early. Like this token has $60,000 market cap. If this token eventually reaches $6 million market cap, you have made an easy 100x of your investment, right? If you buy with $1,000, you'll be making around 10,000. You'll be making around $100,000, right? And 100x of your money. So you can see that this token is gradually increasing. It's increasing gradually because people are buying in, right? People are buying in. So this is basically how you can find meme coins and buy early for an easy 5 to 10x. So these are some other newly launched tokens. And even aside finding tokens early, there are some security checks that you must know before you buy a token, right? I think I'll be making a video about that because there are some bots that can help you filter tokens that are honeypots, tokens that are mintable, tokens that are freezable. There's a whole lot of things you need to know, right? If you're interested to watch a full detailed video about that and how you can check tokens security before you buy in, let me know below in the comment section so as I can create a new video for you guys. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll be attaching all the important links in this video description. See you guys in the very next one.